Israel is celebrating two important things that happened. One, 2,500 years ago. The other one is a few months ago. The first one connected to Iran. According to the Book of Esther, one person from Iran decided, convinced the king Ahasuerus to kill all the Jews in one day, all over the world. Didn't succeed, of course. And now Hamas and Hezbollah try to do that with the help of Iran again, and some of the people who believes in Jesus, but they don't understand that they made a very important mistake. Israel won again. Thanks God for that. In Purim, you must dress up in a different costume. Excellent. I mean, every costume that is usually against your nature, then you can do whatever you want. There are actually a lot of street parties, and I took some videos of families parties, but this time it's of adult. And you will see provocative costume as well, but remember, in Purim, the first law is that you must drink a lot of alcohol. The second law is you must dress up to something that you really desire or didn't desire, but you want to do that because today it's allowed. Then please no comments of how provocative it is. It is. That's the idea. Then let's look at it a little bit. It's next to my house. My house is right to the left. Then it's in every corner there's a party like that. I won't be surprised that someone, a very nice man, will come to here and bomb himself here. But the idea is not to be afraid of terrorists. Then let's enjoy that. I know that it sounds strange for you, but for us it's a way of living. Oh, you can see the religious people here refilling you with vodka and arak, and non-religious people, secular, together. This is the beauty of Israel and Tel Aviv. Stand up and dance. It's Purim time. Carnival.
Yeah, they give something.